Her fork. Fork. Fork.
She's sculpting.
I see her.
Very artistic woman.
I see.
Ella.
What's this?
Ella, can you look at Mommy? It's the wrong side.
Where is I?
There's Layla. What are you having? What are you having? Peaches?
I see Layla.
You're not having peaches. What are you eating? Oranges?
Oranges.
All right. All done.